We just had lunch here, and this is the layout here, the streets. This is the Central Korean city. Hirapan akong pronounce. Gyeongju. We left Busan kanina mga 10 AM. Kung mag-bus kami mga 2 hours, ito less than 45 minutes, parang 30 minutes to reach yung destination. Ito yung layout, no? This is Central Korea. We'll be crossing deceiving yung araw because the weather is very cold. Hello? Hello? Wave? Ganda ng sun, no? Very clear sky. Very cold naman. Ano yun? Basura? Ayun, kala naman bird. Ito yung highway, no? Main highway. Bus 11? Dadaan siya? Kung wala? Okay, so we're having advantage na wala bus. Parang almost empty yung highway nila. And I observe also daming mga matatanda. Ito yung sabi nilang problem with Korea, no? Big population, aging population sila. Ito yung game laro nila. What game is this? Ito yung entertainment nila. Para siyang golf, no? What is this?